Have you ever felt like you've been misled when it comes to crypto investing? See a token blowing up on social media, check the price, and the candlesticks are skyrocketing. You think, this is it. This is my chance to become a crypto millionaire. You quickly load up your wallet, confident your time has finally come. But a few days or weeks later, the tokens have lost a huge chunk of their value. Frustrating, right? I've been there too, chasing the hype, thinking price is everything, only to watch my investments must dive. The truth is, price alone doesn't matter in crypto investing. And without the right knowledge, you are setting yourself up for failure. The real foundation of smart crypto investing starts with understanding key factors, which are market cap, fully diluted value FDV, vesting, and the token category. In this video, I'll break down these essential terms, then introduce you to a powerful research tool that will help you analyze any token in depth. No more FOMO, no more regrets, just solid, informed decisions. Let's dive in. Market cap is the total value of cryptocurrency in circulation. It's calculated by multiplying the current price of a token by the total supply of the token. Higher market cap often indicates a more established and less volatile crypto asset, while a lower market cap could represent a high risk, high reward opportunity. It's crucial for assessing a token's potential in terms of stability and growth. Fully diluted value FDV is the total value of a cryptocurrency if all tokens were in circulation, including those that are locked, minted, or otherwise unavailable. FDV helps investors understand the potential future value of a project. A massive difference between FDV and market cap can indicate the potential for token dilution, which might affect the price once more tokens are released. Vesting refers to the gradual release of tokens over time, often for early investors, project team members, or other stakeholders. Understanding vesting schedules is essential because when large amounts of locked tokens become available, it can lead to increased selling pressure, potentially causing a drop in the token's price. The category refers to the sector or industry that the token is targeting, such as DeFi, NFTs, or Layer 1 blockchains. Knowing the category helps you understand the project's use case and growth potential. Certain categories may have higher risk or growth prospects based on the market trends and the competition within the sector. So you know that market cap is one of the essential metrics when it comes to assessing a crypto token and its potential growth. The tool that I want to show you on how to do this crypto research is called CryptoRank.io. There's so many things that you can do with this tool. So clicking here under the option bar, you can see there's coins, there's fundraising, IDO and ICO, that is initial DEX offering and initial coin offering, exchanges, token unlocks, and products. So when you click here under the coins, there's a drop down menu, and then the first one you can see there's top 100 coins, the performance, gainers, all-time high, the global markets. When you want to assess your token, compare it with the top 100 coins and see if at all it has room or chance for growth and reach the value of those top 100 coins. So when we list them by the top 100 coins, this is what we now have here. Looking to unlock amazing deals with crypto and digital marketing, the GekoodHub deals page has got you covered. Start trading crypto with the big blockchain industry players. And if you're looking to grow your online presence and scale your online business, you have all the tools you need. Don't forget, you also get our curated emails on crypto and more insights delivered to your email inbox. Visit GekoodHub deals page and sign up for GekoodHub email newsletter. Don't wait any longer. We've got more in here. Come check for yourself. You can see the first one is Bitcoin. we are looking the metrics on the market cap. Market cap for Bitcoin is $1.26 trillion. The second one is Ethereum, which is $319 billion. So this is the list for the top 100 coins. So when you are going to assess your token, you need to measure its market cap with the top 100 coins, and also remember the category of the token that you are going to be investing. So first we want to look on the market cap and going with the category of the token that you're going to be choosing, because the category of the token you're going to be choosing is very essential. There's those categories that are very growth oriented, and there's some categories which are dead. So you need to be going with the trending categories of these tokens in order to have some growth with your money. So again, clicking under the option bar under the coins, then we can now see here under the all categories. So when you click here under the category, now you are going to be choosing a specific category to invest with. So there's a long list of categories here, up to 11 of them. So the first one is currencies. You have chains, stable coins, meme coins, DeFi. So when you're going to be investing, you need to really be keen on what type of coin are you investing in. Let's say you now choose something like meme coin. You know these coins, they pump and dump very fast. So when you're going to be investing with a meme coin, you need to hold it for a short period of time and get out before the price eventually collapses, because we know with meme coins they have a high affinity to pump and dump. We want to look on the blockchain services and see if at all we can find some opportunities here, combining our knowledge from market cap, FDV, which is fully diluted value, and the vesting period of these tokens. Now we see the list of these tokens that are being listed under the blockchain services category. They are listed based on the market values. So the first one is FET, which is $4.26 billion. Then there's Render, 2.42. If at all you're going to be choosing this category, in order to have a token that can 10 or 20x your money, look on the market cap and choose a token that has a lower market cap. So we want to now filter our research based on the market cap. So just click here, and now we want to choose our market cap from 10 million. What we are now seeing is tokens that have market cap of 10 million and below. The market cap is the price times the circulating tokens. When stable coins are going to be pumped into that particular project, then it can still grow because the market cap is low. But now when you choose the FET, which is 4.26 billion, it will need more money to come into it in order to even 3x. So 3x of 4.26 billion is more than 12 billion. So in order for it to reach 12 billion, when money is coming to the project, can take a very long time. So that's why you need to be filtering your market cap from 1 million to 10 million. Those tokens can have very impulsive growth. So you also need to check on the changes. You want to be going with tokens that are somehow seeing growth into them. So just search here to see tokens that have had very massive change in 30 days. So from this list, I can see that Eagle AI is one of the tokens that has had very massive growth within the last 30 days. It's plus 954% within the last 30 days. So you can now go and have a look on what's really happening into this Eagle AI token. And you can see the market cap is only 5.82 million. So let's just click it and see what's happening here. And let's also gather more info from this token. So we can see the price is 14 cents. And then we have the overview markets, vesting, arbitrage. So just going here, we want to see more data. We can filter these charts on some time frames here. So we can go with the overall 1 year. You can see within 1 year, the coin has had very massive growth. With its market cap being only 2 million, it has a potential for growth based on its category. The first one we were seeing that is FET is only 4.2 billion. Compare that with the market cap of Ethereum or Bitcoin. I want you now to focus on the market cap and the fully diluted value, because I showed you that FDV is also essential when it comes to your crypto research. This one shows you how much the token price can be diluted when finally all the tokens are released into the market. The difference between the market cap and the FDV, it should be relatively low. So 5 million and 14 million, that difference we can actually, personally I'd say it's a difference that is okay. When those tokens are being released, the dilution is not really much. So we will now want to see on the vesting of this token, how much of these tokens have been released into the circulation. So when you come here under max supply, total supply, and then the circulating supply, you can see 40% of these total tokens have been released into the market, which means there's still 60% of these tokens that need to be released into the market. When the release finally occurs, it means that even if you have these tokens, there will still be dilution into your overall value. That's now on the knowledge of vesting. Now you need to check on vesting. Vesting is now these 60% that are still locked. How will they be released into the market? Vesting is categorized into a variety. I'll show you on the screen on the category of vesting, but now we want to now go under the category of vesting to understand how these 60% of locked tokens will be released into the market. So in order to have more info about vesting, now you go and click on vesting. So you can see here how these tokens have been allocated. We have the pre-sale total 45%, then the marketing team has 20%, there's Jod Foundry LBT 15% team, then operations 10%. The pre-sales have 21% still locked, then the marketing teams, they still have 15% locked, and then the team have 7.5% locked. Then there's the vesting schedule. So for the pre-sales, there's the linear unlock 6 months. Unlock is 53%. Then the locked is 46%. So you can just click there to have more info about this one. So you can see the pre-sale summary is 6.67% TG, then 15% every 30 days for 6 months. With that info, you know that every 30 days, there will always be some tokens coming into the circulation. So there will always be dilution of your value for those tokens that you are holding. Okay, so we have here info about what is to be unlocked. So you can see on October 5th, 2024, so 10 days from today, the pre-sale will be unlocking some tokens. You need to know the percentage that they will be unlocking. So unlock of 7 million, which is 7% of max supply. So the pre-sale team will be unlocking 7% of the maximum supply 10 days from now. Then October, 12 days from now, the marketing and the team will be also unlocking some of the tokens into the market. So with this information, you can see that even if you hold tokens, as time goes by, this team, this pre-sale, the team and the marketing part, they will be introducing some new tokens into the market. So it means that there will be more supply into the market, finally reducing the price. With the demand supply curve, when there's much supply of a commodity into the market, the price always goes down. When there is more demand and less supply, the price goes up. It's just the simple economic theory where less supply causes higher demand, and then the higher supply reduces demand, hence crashing the price. So we know that with this token, there will be some release of tokens into the market. But even if there's release into the market, we've seen that the FDV and the market cap difference is not really that big. So we can actually say that this token, it's somehow okay to invest with it based on the metrics that we are looking on. This token, you can trade it on Uniswap version 2 under base, or you can still come here under the overview and see the blockchain that it's based on. You can see its base, then the contract address. To get it, just copy it here. We've seen that this token falls under the blockchain services. Now we want to see how much money can we garner from this token. Some people, they just invest into token because they see up the price is low, and now they start dreaming of what if this token goes to $1 or $10. You need to really be objective with your crypto research. You need to be realistic. Can this token really go to $1, or can it really go to $10? So if this token was to go to $1, how much growth will I get from my money? So that's what I want to show you, how you can compare this token with other tokens and see how much money can you be objectively getting from investing into such a particular token. So let's just go back to the category of these tokens. It was blockchain infrastructure. It was under blockchain services. So this is the eagle. I just want to make it a star so that I don't have to search it again. So I want to remove the filter, and then we'll now compare it with the first token here under blockchain services. So let me just copy the contract address for this Eagle AI, and then let's remove the filter, reset all filter. Now we want to see if at all Eagle AI was to take the #1 spot, which is FET or FET, how much growth will you get from investing into Eagle AI when we compare it with the first token under blockchain services. So I just want to also copy the contract address for this one. It's ranked number 27. So in order to compare these tokens and see how much growth we would get from your Eagle AI, we now want to go under CoinGecko. And then here on CoinGecko, click under the options. Under cryptocurrencies, now go under all coins, then click on compare coins. So we want to compare Eagle AI. Let's see if at all that one will. Okay, it's not bringing that one when we use the contract address. So when you search it, it's coming Eagle AI. Then we compare it with FET, artificial super intelligence. There's an error about this one. The circulating supply for Eagle AI is not verified. Please try with another coin or change compare metrics. So CoinGecko does not have the market cap for Eagle AI, so we are getting some errors there, but I want to show you with another coin. So we also want to see on another coin that has had massive growth in the last 30 days. So let's just apply our filter again. Apply. So I'll choose deepfake AI. You can see under 30 days change 105%, 8 million market cap. So it's called fake AI. Going back to CoinGecko, then now here we put fake AI. So you can see it's saying deepfake. So we are now comparing deepfake with artificial intelligence, which is the first one under the blockchain services. So you can see here fake AI market cap is 8 million. Market cap of FET is 4.2 billion. In order for deepfake to take the spot for FET, its price will go up to $4.44. That is 517x for your deepfake token. This comparison gives you an objective overview of how this coin would grow. The price is at $0.00846. Even if you were to invest into this token, it will be unrealistic to wait for its price to hit $10 in order to start selling. Because when it hits $4, it means that it has already taken the #1 spot under blockchain services, now overtaking artificial superintelligence token FET. So now this one can give you an overview of when to be selling your tokens. When the price of deepfake starts to grow, let's say up to even 20 cents, now it will be wise to start pulling off your profit from this token, because you know you've already gotten so much value from this token. There's a high chance of its price bouncing back and even going up to zero. You see some people investing into a crypto token and then they invest based on hope. They don't know the metrics to look into. You need to be doing this comparison. You compare it with the first token on that category, or you can still compare it with the tokens from other categories, because let me show you that one. And now we can see how much value we can get from these tokens. We come here under categories. So under blockchain services, the market cap is 23 billion. And then we want to compare market cap from blockchain services with the market cap under the, let's take like meme coins. We take a meme coin that has a bigger market cap than the FET, which was 4.2 billion. And now we compare that one with deepfake. Let's reset all. Let's compare deepfake with which meme coin? Okay, one of the meme coin that is exploding on blockchain so far is Bonk. So you can see Bonk is 1.27 billion, the market cap. Now we compare deepfake, which is under blockchain services, with Bonk, which is under meme coins. So if at all deepfake was to grow to the market cap value of Bonk, how much growth would you get from your money in order to start selling? So we are deepfake comparing with Bonk. Okay, now you can see this one will make these tokens to grow up to $1.32, which is 154% X. We compare it with something like Doge now, the first coin under the meme coins. So you can see Dogecoin here is the first rank token under meme coins category with $15.92 billion. So if at all deepfake was to garner money and grow up to the market cap of Dogecoin, what price would it go in order to attain that one? So this one would make deepfake to grow up to $16.54, which is almost 2000x. So you can see with this comparison now, you can actually have a clear picture of how much price this token would even grow up to, instead of just basing your investments on hope. I've shown you how to check on the market cap, the FDV, the vesting using CryptoRank. But for some cases, you'll find that some of these tokens, all these data are not present under the CryptoRank website. So what you can do is just come here. Let's say you now seen a token under meme coin category, and now you want to get those data from that token and they are not present on the CryptoRank. Say we choose something like FOG, which is a meme coin, and now you can see here there's overview market arbitrage. There's no vesting, so you can't really see those data on how these tokens will be released into the circulation. But you can see the market cap and then the FDV. The market cap and the FDV for FOG is very impressive. Up to 97% of these tokens have been released into the market. So it means that the dilution will be very low, even if those 3% or 2% that have been locked will be released. You won't be getting so much dilution from your price. So what you can do for these ones, this type of token that don't show you the vesting, how they will be released, just click the contract address, and then now you'll be using another site, CoinMarketCap. So just come here under the search, then you put the contract address that you've copied. So you can see here it brings us the data for FOG. Some of these tokens, they don't have all the data based on the vesting. Let me just use another token. If at all, you can still find the data about their vesting, so that you can always still see how to use other tools in order to see everything into the crypto blockchain. So I've just chosen this one. The token is DogWeave, which is WEAF, but now there's no data about vesting. But this is how you can still use CoinMarketCap. If at all it's not available under the CryptoRank.io, you can just copy the contract address and then come with it under CoinMarketCap, then search and paste the contract address where it's showing overview community. There will be part that is showing vesting. So the best example I'm now showing you with Dogecoin. So you can see there's here where it says token unlocks. This is the same as the vesting under the CryptoRank. Token unlocks is now same as vesting. This is now how they will be released. Those locked tokens will be released into the blockchain. So when you click here for Dogecoin, it now gives you data on how these tokens will be released in the market, and also the data for the past release. You need to know how to filter the tokens and get those tokens that are still very low into the list. If at all you invest into the tokens that are top rank there, you need to wait for a very long time before those tokens eventually see growth. You need to be taking a different approach when it comes to crypto research. You need to be having the mindset of people like Warren Buffett, who sees opportunities when people are still not seeing it. I do believe you've gotten so much value from this video, and there's so much more that I want to bring to you on how to do your crypto research. There's more that you can still do with this CryptoRank. There's fundraising, there's arbitrage. I'm going to show you all those tips and tricks on how to be an all-inclusive person when it comes to research. Also, remember that we have our GekoodHub newsletter. Sign up for our email newsletter. The link I'll put in the description. You can also go under the bio. If at all you want to start your online business, I have a tool that you can start your online business where it covers email marketing. You can build your sales funnel there, landing pages. You can create online courses there. You don't have to be juggling between softwares. If at all you want it, sign up for free with system.io. Use the link on the description and start revamping your online business. If at all you're someone who wants to grow your YouTube channel at a very fast pace, I always do my research before I even start recording a video. If I want to see that the videos I'm recording, even if they don't explode today, they have a very high chance of exploding into the future. So this is how I do my research using vidIQ. I just go there and type my keywords and see how much growth can this kind of video have, how competitive is it. So if I told you are someone who wants to grow their YouTube channel by going into the evergreen content, then you'd want to grab vidIQ. You start using vidIQ. You can sign up with my link and start doing your research on those video or content that can actually have massive growth into the future. For those of you who want to get more exclusive content from me, remember we have a Patron page where I always drop those early video release on finance. If at all you want to transform your mindset, my Patron page is the place to be. The link is under the description.